Do you want to check the number of hotspots that are connected to your iPhone? If yes, then this video is a headway, as this is going to walk you through how to check hotspot connected devices in iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, first thing you want to do is you need to turn on cellular data or mobile data on your iPhone so that you'll be able to turn on personal hotspot. Then scroll down, locate personal hotspot, and then click on it. Once you see available, now go ahead, grab any device you want to see connected to your iPhone personal hotspot, swipe down the control center, then click on WoW file, and make sure your iPhone personal hotspot is connected to. Now, once you've connected to your iPhone personal hotspot, if you go back to the control center, just like this, you're going to see one active. So if you have multiple active, that is multiple devices connected to your personal hotspot, you're going to see the total number here. Now, to check the devices that are connected to your hotspot, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, scroll down, locate cellular or mobile data. So this depends on your region. So go ahead and click on cellular. Now, once you selected cellular, scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to cellular data, and under cellular data, locate personal hotspot and click on it. Now, once you click on personal hotspot, you're going to see the name of the device that is connected to your iPhone hotspot. And I can see I have my device named Ade.4a connected to my iPhone. So if you have any other devices that is connected to your iPhone personal hotspot, then you're going to see it here. You see that? So I am connected to my iPhone named Ade.4a, and my Samsung Galaxy phone is also named Ade.4a. So that is why you see the name of the device here. So if you have any other devices connected to your iPhone personal hotspot, then you're going to see the name of the device down there. So that is basically how to check hotspot connected devices in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.